Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Ramp Business Credit Card. Ramp is a modern corporate card and finance management platform designed to help businesses save money and automate their expenses. It offers an impressive unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases, which can add up significantly. This platform also integrates smoothly with popular accounting software, making financial reconciliation much easier and less time-consuming for your team. Beyond cashback, Ramp offers powerful features to optimize your spending. You get real-time expense tracking and deep insights into where your money goes. Businesses can set customizable spending limits and controls for individual employees or vendors, enhancing financial discipline. Plus, the ability to generate virtual cards adds an extra layer of security for online purchases, and automated receipt matching streamlines your expense reporting process. To qualify for a Ramp card, businesses generally need at least $50,000 in a bank account. A significant advantage is that no personal guarantee is required, which is a huge relief for many business owners. The application process is entirely online and designed to be straightforward. Most applicants can expect approval within a quick 1 to 3 business days, getting you set up to save money very quickly. While Ramp offers many benefits, it's important to consider a few points. It's primarily geared towards more established businesses, meaning smaller startups might find the $50,000 minimum cash requirement challenging. Also, while 1.5% cashback is solid, some businesses might seek more specialized or tiered rewards programs. Finally, while integrations are good, compatibility with every niche accounting system might not be perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.